Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video from Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to add or create a channel into Slack. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to create a channel into Slack, just simply open your Slack application at first, and after opening Slack you will see this channels section. Now into channels section you will directly get this option to add a channel. You just simply have to tap into that add a channel option and then click to this plus button at the bottom right corner. And after that just simply name your channel. Then after naming channel, click to next button at the top right. And after doing this, you can make it public or private. Just simply choose the suitable option for your channel and then click to create button. And at last, you can add some people into your channel from here. Just simply search the name of the person or email of the person and then click to this add button at the top right. Then after doing this, your channel will successfully be created into Slack. By following these very easy steps, you can also create a channel into Slack. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.